Welcome to our channel Quaint Cosmos. Today we are going to explore one very fascinating as well as confusing topic. Yes, it is confusing for most of the people around the world. The topic is Darknet. Darknet. This is a new term for many people. Darknet is nothing but a part of internet. The internet being used by most of the people around the world is a part of internet which is known as surface web. Yes, internet has three layers. On the top is the surface web. Surface web. This layer is used by most of the people. Whenever you are browsing something, some websites on your, say for example, Google browser on your smartphone, and you can see so many websites in front of your eyes. Those websites are indexed by Google. Those are nothing but the part of the internet which is being used is surface web. You can freely access to those websites such as Facebook, YouTube, and any other websites of institutes like universities, colleges, schools, different websites, millions of websites are there. All those things are the part of the internet known as surface web. Just below that surface web, there is one more layer of internet known as deep web. The deep, D-E-E-P, deep web. This term deep web sounds mysterious, but it is not so much mysterious. This part is also being used by most of the people around the world. This part is what? Which is that this part? In your on your smartphone also you are using this. Whenever you are whenever you are making login to your Facebook account or your YouTube account or any other account such as bank websites. Bank websites are indexed by Google such as Punjab National Bank, State Bank of India, etc. So many banks are there in India. But if you want to access the private information of you stored in your bank website, then for that case login is required. Without login to your account, you cannot access those data. So this part of the internet is known as deep web. These are not freely accessible. Something extra is required to access these sites, whether it is bank website or your email account or your Facebook account or your YouTube account or any account. So many apps are there. So all these are part of deep web. So the name deep web, this sounds quite mysterious, but actually it is not so much mysterious. And below this, so on the top, what was there? Surface web. Then below that was deep web. And below deep web, there is one more layer of internet known as darknet. Yes, this part of the internet is known as darknet. This is not freely accessible. And this is used by activists, research people, research workers, okay, or scientists or students learning something which is very sensitive. Say you want to communicate with someone very sensitive issues. So in that case, darknet is used. Though darknet is also used for illegal purposes by wrong people. Darknet, this part of the internet is used. So what is the special in this thing? In this thing is special. Say you are using darknet on your smartphone. Yes, on your smartphone, the smartphone which you are using, say it is Android type. Okay, and so in your smartphone you can easily install a software is required. Yes, for the access of darknet, special tools are required. A software known as Tor, the onion router. Tor, the full name of Tor is Tor, Tor. The full name is the onion router. So this is freely available in your Google Play Store. So you can easily download from there and you can install in your phone. Okay, And after installing this software or app, you can use the darknet, the part of internet. Okay, that means darknet, these parts of the internet can be used by anyone. But what is the purpose of using this, and what is the advantage of using this darknet? First thing is advantage is this is anonymous, means this protects your privacy as well as your anonymity. Your IP address cannot be located, because whenever you are visiting any website, say a bank website or anything, okay, then so many nodes or servers are used between you, means between your smartphone or between your any device where you are using your darknet and that server. So many nodes are used, like so many layers in an onion. So many nodes are used. Okay, and so what happens here in this case, IP address of your smartphone or your any device that cannot be traced by anybody. Anybody means what? Hackers are there. You know that hackers are there. They always try to do wrong things. Anyway, so you can save yourself from those wrong people. You can save your, you can hide your identity this way by using darknet. Your IP address cannot be located. Many people use this darknet along with a VPN server, virtual private network, that is known to you. I am not talking about here VPN. Anyway, I am talking about only darknet. Why people use darknet? So first is privacy. Your privacy can be maintained easily by using darknet, as well as your anonymity. Means your identity can be protected by using this darknet. And this is nothing new. This is a part of the internet, but most of the people do not use this. You can use this. Anybody can use this part of internet which is known as darknet, but there is a special purpose. Many things are there in the research field which should not be published for all, means which should not be made public. So those things are available on this part of darknet. Many things are there. Suppose journalists are there. They are trying to hide their information from most of the people. So in such cases, they use normally darknet. Again, some regions in our world are there where some sites are blocked. Those countries, those regions or those countries do not allow few popular websites in their country, such as Facebook, YouTube. In such cases, means just by using surface web or deep web, you cannot access those sites or websites. So in such cases, you can use darknet to get access to any of the websites of your choice. So uses are there, means legitimate uses are there, no doubt. But many people are there. In any case, in all the cases, wrong people are always present. And whatever they do, the purpose remains always wrong. So since there is this darknet part can hide your identity, so many people do the same thing, use the same thing for wrong purposes. Anyway, so this was all about darknet. Okay, so darknet is what? Darknet is nothing but a part of internet. Okay, and it can be used by everyone. And to use this one special software, I have mentioned only one Tor. There are many softwares available in market. Okay, I have used only one. I have mentioned only one, Tor. The full name of Tor is the Onion router. Okay, so main purpose of using darknet is what? To protect your privacy as well as your anonymity. For this purpose, darknet, this hidden part of internet, is used by people. Anyway, so this was all about the topic darknet. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.